And it's not coming from the usual suspects. DJI, a name more closely associated with drones and gimbals, might just be about to shake things up in a way no one saw coming. Remember how DJI disrupted the market with products like the Ronin 4D or the compact yet powerful Osmo Pocket? Well, it looks like they're about to do it again, this time with a mirrorless camera. But let's not jump to conclusions too fast. What we know is still a bit mysterious, but here's what we can piece together. So let's break it down with what we know so far. Let's rewind a bit. Remember how DJI took over Hasselblad? That wasn't just a flex. DJI's been using Hasselblad's medium format cameras for their drones, but rumor has it, they're now going full frame with a mirrorless camera that's not only affordable, but will also cater to both photographers and filmmakers. Word on the street is it's coming in 2025, and based on DJI's history of innovation, this isn't something we can ignore. When we talk about DJI and cameras, we're not talking about the kind of cameras you use to take family photos on vacation. No, this is the kind of camera you'd expect to see on a major film set or a content creator's YouTube rig. DJI's expertise in imaging technology from their drones and stabilizers, like the Ronin 4D, gives us a hint about what might be in store. DJI has been building a reputation in camera tech, but the mirrorless camera market, that's a whole new game. This would be a huge leap for the company, which has already dominated the drone and gimbal industries, but has not yet ventured into the camera body space, at least not in the traditional sense. Sources close to the matter suggest that DJI's mirrorless camera could directly compete with industry giants like Sony, Canon, and Nikon. While nothing is confirmed yet, the buzz is undeniable. The question is, what could this camera bring to the table that would set it apart? Before diving into speculation, it's important to understand the kind of innovation DJI has already brought to the table. DJI's most notable successes in the camera world have come from its drone technology and compact gimbals. The DJI Pocket series, for example, is considered one of the best vlogging cameras around, offering ease of use, portability, and stabilization in a sleek, small form. Then there's the DJI Ronin 4D, a cinematic camera system that's designed for professionals in the film industry. This camera is equipped with incredible features like built-in stabilization and a gimbal system that rivals any Hollywood setup. The Ronin 4D showcases DJI's deep expertise in camera technology, and it's likely this same innovation would be applied to a potential mirrorless system. But the game changer here might be DJI's ownership of Hasselblad, a brand synonymous with medium format cameras known for their high image quality. With Hasselblad in their portfolio, DJI has the resources to create a camera system that delivers exceptional image sensors and superior image quality. So what could a DJI mirrorless camera look like? If the rumors are accurate, DJI's new mirrorless system would sit somewhere between their consumer-grade DJI Pocket series and the professional-grade Hasselblad cameras. This would place DJI directly in competition with the likes of Sony, Canon, and Nikon, who have long been the dominant forces in the mirrorless camera market. And as DJI owns Hasselblad, the prestigious medium format brand known for its exceptional image quality, this means we could be looking at a camera with some seriously impressive image sensors, possibly even something inspired by Hasselblad's technology. These sensors, often sourced from Sony, could provide incredible dynamic range and color accuracy, making this new camera attractive to both professional photographers and filmmakers. Also, DJI's history with user-friendly design could play a huge role in how their camera stacks up against the competition. If you've ever used a DJI drone or gimbal, you know that ease of use is one of the company's biggest strengths, and it's exactly this that could set DJI apart from brands like Sony, Canon, and Nikon. Current mirrorless cameras, especially at the pro level, often come with complex menus and connectivity issues. That's where DJI could swoop in with its expertise. DJI is best known for its gimbals and stabilization technology, which is light years ahead of what's currently available in most mirrorless cameras. The Ronin 4D, for example, is already an industry favorite for high-end video production. Now imagine that level of stabilization in a mirrorless camera. Think about the smooth handheld shots you could pull off without even needing a gimbal. That's going to be a game changer for filmmakers and content creators who want cinematic shots on the go. Then there's the modular design. This could be a huge win for professionals who need different setups for different projects. Whether you're shooting in the studio, in the field, or on a movie set, being able to customize the camera for your needs could make it the go-to tool for photographers and filmmakers alike. Think of it like a Swiss Army knife, everything you need in one adaptable package. Another rumored detail is that DJI might lean into Hasselblad's Scandinavian-inspired minimalism for the design. If true, expect clean lines, a retro vibe, and an interface that's actually easy to navigate, something a lot of cameras still struggle with. Think of the Fuji X series cameras with their classic look, but modern tech inside. If DJI pulls this off, it could appeal to photographers who want a camera that looks as good as it shoots. One of the frustrations for modern photographers and videographers is the slow and sometimes complicated process of transferring images and videos from camera to computer or cloud storage. While some companies are improving this area, DJI could take things even further. We've seen advanced connectivity in some of their other products like the DJI Mavic 3 drone, which allows for seamless integration with smartphones and other devices. DJI could implement similar technology into their mirrorless camera, offering wireless photo transfers or even direct uploads to cloud storage, something we haven't seen in many of the existing mirrorless systems. Even internal storage like the 64 GB seen in the Leica M11 or the 1 TB storage in DJI's Mavic 3 drone could become an option. This would eliminate the need for photographers to carry external hard drives or SD cards, streamlining the entire workflow. DJI has shown time and time again that they understand the importance of versatility in the gear market. Take the DJI Ronin 4D, for example. The camera supports multiple interchangeable lens systems, including the DL mount, L mount, and E mount. This flexibility could be crucial if DJI chooses to offer multiple lens mounts for their mirrorless camera. Offering compatibility with different lens types would open the door for a wide range of photographers and videographers to use the gear they already own, which makes DJI's mirrorless system even more attractive. This kind of lens compatibility is something that could place DJI's mirrorless camera ahead of the competition, especially for those who want flexibility in their setups. Now, breaking into the mirrorless market won't be easy. Sony, Canon, and Nikon have decades of experience and loyal users who've invested heavily in their ecosystems. But DJI has something those brands don't, an outsider's perspective. They're not bogged down by tradition, which means they can innovate in ways the others might not. They've got the tech, the engineering expertise, image stabilization, and intuitive design that could introduce a new wave of innovation that has been sorely lacking in the current market. With cameras like the A7R6, Z7 III, and EOS R6 Mark III leading the charge, DJI's entry would inject some much-needed competition into the mix. Sure, there are challenges ahead. Lens compatibility is one area DJI will need to address. They're part of the L-mount alliance, which helps, but they'll still need to offer solid native glass if they want to be taken seriously. And of course, they'll need to convince pros that their system is worth investing in over the long term. But if DJI can pull off what we're hearing in these leaks, they just might pull some users away from the big three. DJI's potential entry into the mirrorless camera market could mark the beginning of a major shift. If the rumors surrounding DJI's potential mirrorless camera are true, we could be witnessing a major shakeup in the photography and filmmaking world. DJI has long been known for its game-changing innovations in drones and gimbals, but stepping into the mirrorless camera market would represent a bold new frontier for the company. If they can bring the same level of excellence to their cameras as they have to their other products, it could significantly impact the competitive landscape. DJI's expertise in stabilization, demonstrated by their Ronin 4D and Pocket series, sets them apart from traditional camera brands. Imagine a mirrorless camera equipped with the same level of smoothness and ease of use. Content creators and filmmakers would have a powerful tool in their hands, able to produce cinematic shots without the need for additional gear like gimbals. This could be a game changer for on-the-go creators looking for high-quality results with minimal setup. Another compelling aspect is DJI's ownership of Hasselblad, a prestigious name in the photography world. With this acquisition, DJI is well positioned to integrate Hasselblad's high-end image sensors into their mirrorless system. If the rumors about top-tier image quality, dynamic range, and color accuracy prove to be accurate, DJI could carve out a niche in the professional market. Moreover, DJI's potential focus on modular design and connectivity could address major pain points for photographers and videographers. Faster file transfers, better wireless integration, and customizable setups would make their system more appealing, especially for those looking for an all-in-one solution for both photography and video. However, there are hurdles ahead. Breaking into the mirrorless camera market won't be easy. With Sony, Canon, and Nikon holding strong market positions, DJI will need to convince professionals that its camera is worthy of serious investment. Lens compatibility and long-term ecosystem support will also be crucial. In conclusion, DJI's mirrorless camera could become a disruptive force, offering a fresh alternative to the traditional players in the space. If DJI can match its innovative spirit with the quality expected from high-end cameras, this could be the start of something exciting in the world of professional imaging. That's it for this round of DJI mirrorless camera leaks. What do you think about these rumors? Let us know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more camera news and leaks as